Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well wherever you are today. In this video, let me show you how easily you can pack development, test, or demo environments using dev containers. So, what do we have here? In my case, I had to prepare a demo about different Azure messaging services, storage queue, service bus, event hub, and event grid. I use Bicep to configure all these services, Python to run demo scripts, and Makefile to simplify command line interaction. I'm really happy about how it works on my machine, but how can I pass it to a colleague or a client without having them install all dependencies, including Azure CLI, Bicep, Python modules, and so on? There are many good answers to this question, but the dev containers work best for my needs. I added a simple dev container configuration to my repo that describes everything that must be installed in the environment, so now I or anyone else can spin it up just from a browser. Let's see how it works. So first I click on the link to create a GitHub Codespace for my repo. It will use the defined dev container configuration. Starting a container takes a few minutes. Let me speed up the video here. Here we go. Our repository is now opened in a pre-configured environment with all the tools we need. Let's follow the README file. To run the demo, we need to create Azure resources. To do so, it's as simple as typing make deploy in the command line. Let me quickly ensure that resources have yet to be created. On the first run, Azure CLI will ask you to log into Azure and select the subscription. Now, we must wait a few minutes. Let me skip this part of the video. We have all the resources created now. The resource names are added to the environment file, so all Python scripts will work without any changes. Let's see. For example, let's run the Azure Service Bus scripts. We have a publisher sending messages to a topic and 2 subscribers, each listening to the messages from their own topic subscription. Let me spit the terminal. We can see that each subscriber receives the same messages. By the way, let's look into Azure Portal. Here we find all our resources created in the same resource group. Here we go. So I didn't even have to use my local VS Code to spin up my Azure environment and run the scripts that can connect to newly created Azure resources. Links to documentation are in the description. Thank you for your time and have a good day.